So let's click up top here, and we're going to go back to my performance mode. And when it comes back to here, I'll know that everything's loaded because my jog wheels on my DDJ1000 will go from saying Pioneer DJ to having the track information that's loaded on there. So now that I have that set up, I can now use my crossfader to cut into those lights. So when it hits, if I switch it to through, now the track will still play through, but my crossfader is going to cut and have good control over that. In another video that I've posted in this series, I've shown how to set this up, but for this next part, you can see this little pad tab here. What I've done is I've assigned this pad, so my shift beat loop, to be my user 3. So let's close that pad tab, and that is available if you have the DDJ1000, or if you have the XP1, you'll see that pad tab, and that lets you reassign the pad to be whatever you want it to be. But again, I've shown that in other videos, so check those out. So I'm going to go shift, beat loop, and now I get lighting control. So already my crossfader is going to be on and off, and then I can change my strobe amount up in the top left. If I press it a second time, it goes solid. And I've also set it up to have different color options. There's a bunch of other stuff that I could assign the pads to do as well. That's just for this particular setup that I have